All right, so I want to cover Shop Shark in this video. It's a TikTok shop research tool that's going to help you identify trending products, analyze performance data, and discover products that already have proven demand, right? So here we are on the dashboard, and one of the easiest ways to start product research is by looking at popular videos. So from here, you can apply filters, you can adjust the publication date range, and you can analyze the products being featured in high performing content. Now, this allows you to quickly identify products that are already gaining traction on TikTok. We also have a dedicated product section here too. So here you can view the top selling products on TikTok Shop. Again, you can apply filters, right? You can select a custom date range to analyze the performance during a specific period for specific products. In this table, you'll find product details, category information, sales trends, units sold, order growth rate, commission rates, GMV, which is crucial, and a ton more. Now, this makes it much easier to identify opportunities within specific niches, right? For example, if you want to focus on health and beauty, you can quickly find products related to that, whether that's anti-aging, oral care, supplements, or other high demand categories. Now, one metric I pay close attention to, like I said, is order growth rate. And generally speaking, the higher the order growth rate, the stronger the current momentum behind the product. Products with positive growth often have a better chance of continuing to perform well in the near future. Now, you can also sort the table by units sold, commission rate, growth rate, or other metrics depending on your strategy. But now let's talk about commissions specifically, right? A common beginner mistake is assuming that the highest commission rate automatically means the most profit, but that is, of course, not always true. You always need to consider both the commission percentage and the product price. So, for example, a product with a lower commission percentage but a higher, selling price could still generate much more significant earnings, per sale. And that's why evaluating the complete picture is super important. Another metric worth paying attention to is the viral index. Now, the viral index measures engagement by analyzing likes, comments, shares, and overall interaction levels. Personally, I like products that fall somewhere in the middle range. If the viral index is extremely high, the product may already have been heavily saturated with affiliates, right? But if it's extremely low, on the other hand, then there may not be enough, consumer interest yet. Now, a balanced viral index often indicates that a product is gaining traction without being completely overcrowded, and that's crucial. Now, let's click into a product and analyze that specific one further. So inside the product detail page, you'll find information like product ranking, category ranking, viral index, commission percentage, number of creators, promoting that specific product, the number of shoppable videos, sales performance, and so much more. And one of my favorite sections here is related videos. This allows you to see the actual videos that are driving sales for this product. Now, you can analyze view counts, likes, comments, engagement rates, and publishing dates too. And you can also click See Original to view the content directly on TikTok. Now, this is incredibly valuable because instead of guessing what type of content works, you can study successful videos and reverse engineer the structure. So look at the hook, look at the product demonstration, look at the pacing and call to action, and then create your own improved version based on those proven frameworks. ShopShark also provides extensive live stream data too, which is obviously huge if you're a live streamer or you plan to in the future. You can see which live streams are generating sales, how many units were actually sold, viewer counts, traffic sources, and overall revenue performance. And you can even view heat maps that show when successful creators are actually going live. And that's huge. This gives you insight into the optimal streaming times and allows you to identify patterns among top performing sellers. Now, another useful feature is the creator section. Now, here you can discover top performing creators, analyze their follower counts, sales volume, GMV, and products that they're promoting, right? This is a great way to identify trends and learn from affiliates who are already generating strong results. You can also go directly into the video section by filtering for specific categories and date ranges. So ShopShark will show you trending TikTok videos along with the products being promoted. Again, This is going to give you the ability to study winning content, to identify patterns and create your own versions of it based on proven demand. Now, overall, this is a powerful research tool, in my opinion, for TikTok shop sellers and TikTok affiliates. It's amazing. It gives you so much visibility into trending products, successful creators, high-performing videos, live stream performance, and emerging opportunities. Instead of guessing which products might work, you can make decisions based on real marketplace data, and that's one of the biggest advantages that you can have in TikTok Shop and TikTok affiliate marketing. So if you want to try this yourself, I will make sure to link this. As always, I really hope this helps. This is a game changer of a tool, and it's going to help you find winning products and how to actually present those products and make videos on them in so many ways.